Hi everyone, welcome to another important science lecture, Kreb cycle. This Kreb cycle, also called citric acid cycle or tricarboxylic acid cycle (TCA). This Kreb cycle name based on the discovery by a scientist called Hans Kreb. We called it citric acid cycle because there is production of citrate, which is also called citric acid. And why we called it tricarboxylic acid cycle? Because in this cycle there is production of citrate, and citrate contain 3 carboxylic group. This Kreb cycle is the second step of cellular respiration. If we talk about aerobic respiration, then this Kreb cycle is the second step. And the aerobic respiration consists of 3 steps. The first one, which we have discussed in our previous lecture, which is glycolysis. The second one is this Kreb cycle. And the third one is electron transport chain. Glycolysis, this glucose will convert into 2 pyruvate molecules. This glycolysis will take place in cytoplasm of cell. It doesn't require any mitochondria. This one molecule of glucose, we will get 2 pyruvate if glycolysis takes place in the cell. This is the first step of aerobic respiration. But if the cell contain oxygen and mitochondria, then this pyruvate molecule will enter into mitochondria and ready for Kreb cycle. This whole process will take place within the cytoplasm. While if the pyruvate molecule will enter within a cell which contain oxygen and mitochondria, then this Kreb cycle will take place. But before going into this Kreb cycle, these pyruvate molecules will go through a reaction which is called linked reaction, and with this linked reaction, this pyruvate molecule will convert into acetyl coenzyme A. Let's discuss this Kreb cycle. So the Kreb cycle will take place within the matrix of mitochondria, and the matrix of mitochondria already contain a molecule called oxaloacetate. This oxaloacetate will attach to this coenzyme A, and now a new molecule will form which is called citrate, a 6-carbon molecule. And in further reaction, the citrate will convert into isocitrate. And this isocitrate is the isomer of citrate. In the next step, this isocitrate will convert into a 5-carbon molecule which is called alpha ketoglutarate. After the conversion of isocitrate into alpha ketoglutarate, the formation of NADH. Now in the next step, alpha ketoglutarate will convert into succinyl coenzyme A, a 4-carbon molecule. In further reaction, the coenzyme of succinyl coenzyme A will detach from the succinyl group, and this succinyl coenzyme A in the further reaction will convert into succinate. You can see here the coenzyme A will remove from this group and a new molecule will form which is called succinate. Now this succinate will further convert into fumerate, and with the formation of FADH molecule. After the formation of fumerate, the water molecule will combine with the fumerate and a new product will form which is called malate. And again oxaloacetate formation with the production of NADH. This whole cycle will complete the 2 rounds. As we discussed, 2 pyruvate molecules produce 2 acetyl coenzyme A. In this whole cycle, 4 carbon dioxide molecules, 6 NADH, 2 ATP molecules and 2 FADH molecule will form with each round. So this is all about the Kreb cycle. I hope you understand this lecture. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Learn Science with me. Like this video, share it with your friends. Thank you.